What's up, everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your clutch master cylinder. This is a 2001 Mercedes C240 and I believe it's the same for all C-Class. So I'll show you the steps you need to take, pretty straightforward. So let's get to it. So the first thing we need to do is to drain the reservoir. For that, I got this little pump here and insert it right here, boop, and start pumping all the fluid out. So that way, once you take the cylinder out, it's not gonna keep leaking inside. So let's do that first, and then we do the rest. Now underneath the dash, there is this cover here. It's held by 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4 right here. You need to unscrew those. There is the handle for the hood release, this one right here. So you need to take it out from here. Then you pop this out of the cover and release the cable. You need to unplug the OBD2, and there's also this, I believe there's like grounds or something, but this is from the inside, and basically you slide it out. So let's see, I hope you can see this here. Okay, so you got this, the cover is right here. You just lift it and release. So once you take everything and unplug everything, just get it out, and then let's move to the next step. Okay, next we have this cover right here, this black one. There is 2 clips, one right here and one on the other side. There you go, that one right there. So you just pull it towards you and it shouldn't clip. There is also this piece of foam right in front of it, right here. So you just pull it out so you have enough room to work. So basically, and also there's a sensor here. It goes right here. So basically you just twist it and pull up. That should do it for this step. Before you take the cylinder out, make sure you put something on your carpet, either like some plastic like this or some towels or whatever you have in hand. Just because once you unplug those lines, they're gonna drip some fluid. So make sure that you have something to catch it right away. With that, we'll move to the next step. So here is the cylinder. It has 3 plastic rods. This one goes to the clutch pedal. These ones right here are a pain in the butt to remove. You want to make sure that you grab them really good. What I did was I made this a little bigger so I can grab it better. And as you can see right here, I broke this one a little bit because it was so tight that I couldn't get it out. But yeah, you're gonna need something like this. It's a clip removal tool, and once you take them out, it's gonna have these 2 clips. This one is the one that goes to the reservoir and the line to the bottom. For that, you're gonna need a pick tool, and basically you're gonna go from the back to the front and you're gonna clip, as you can see right here. You just take it out and that should release the hose that fits it. And same thing for the bottom. Just grab your pick tool and release the clip, and that way you'll be able to take out the line and this should come out. So I'll show you inside how it looks, but basically that's what you have to do, and reverse the steps when you put it back. So good luck with these 2. Like I say, make sure you grab it like really good. So otherwise you're gonna have to drill them out or who knows what. Okay, so here we inside. I haven't put the rods back, but it's right here and right there. Those are the middle ones, and the one from the top, it goes right here. You can see there, I haven't put it on yet. And the two clips right there, there is one in the back and one right here. This is where your towels come handy. Make sure you put it around the line, because once you unclip this, it's gonna drip all over. So be ready for that. Let's see what else. To put the line back to the cylinder, it's a little tricky because you have to clip it. What I did, you can see here I got this bungee cord, and all I did was just straighten it up a little bit, made a U right there to be able to grab the feed line around and pull it inside of the cylinder. And make sure you have the clip inside already. You don't want to put it afterwards, otherwise it's gonna clip or something. So basically you're gonna grab it around and clip it, and make sure that it's all the way in so it doesn't come out later. So yeah, I guess this is it for today. Remember, I hope this little tip I give you works for you, and otherwise you're gonna be struggling when you need your car or taking more parts that you don't need to. So there you go. Good luck. I'll see you in the next one.